So the new update's 2.5.
Oh, it's 205 now?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. I saw a 204 or something like that over in, well, it's about wonky. Yeah, I saw a 204 over in, that was done in like December.
205 was when it said 204 when I was downloading it,
Uh-huh.
but it registered as 2.05.
Oh, nice.
Well, maybe they did some.
Do you remember the date on it? Maybe mine, the
Yeah.
204 was November, maybe.
Yeah, it was like December 19th.
Oh, okay. Well, much like your Spitfire, this one is way out of, not your Spitfire, your Commander, this one is way out of trim as well. No, I don't want safe mode. I don't want gear on. Well, there's full trim, so we'll just have to live with it.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, you know, I put off this thing for over a year, or right about a year. I had it in the box. And Jim had a little Park Zone Spitfire out here and he let me fly it, and I was like, man, went home, put it together. It's just a great flying plane. Of all of the eFlite 1.2 meters that I've flown, and I've flown them all except for the T-28 that you got on order.
Well, you'll have an opportunity to fly that.
Well, this one flies the best of all of them so far, but I bet you that T-28 it'll be like that FMS one I bought. It'll just be a glorious flyer. I think I'll turn my ailerons down just a smidge. Come on up, man.
It gets pretty wonky. I'm not sure I got it.
That's a big sky, though, man.
Did Steve just bring this car out?
Uh-huh, yeah, you just carried it out and set it on the fence there.
Somebody left it. Actually, I feel better when you don't have your hands full.
That sounds a little funny, almost like a cart and a bicycle spoke. All right, let's see if the landing gears work. Yep, they came out. Been flying jets so much, man, and top wingers. This is my first low wing landing in a while. Get out of the road. They didn't have Spitfires on carriers, did they?
They tried for a while.
That's what I thought. I
But
didn't.
they, very limited.
Yeah, I was thinking they landed too fast or something for it.
And also they had them on floats too.
Oh yeah, you're right. Super. Yep.
Marvelous airplane.
Right through the muck. Come on.
3 for 3. Good landing. Actually 4 for 4 is really good.
I would not qualify that one as good. At least it didn't bust a prop though.
No,
These 5-bladed props, they look like 12, 13 bucks each. All right.